So nonili ladak our job lake Gorkha traditional house along. La selang litum ladak president secretary alang litum do la selang litum han arjuponix nang arjuponi atheke ilitum ladak Gorkha lam stamil tum karbiang long long da sona tribes dopik bon tamil litum kachini neta do lang la sela so phuta alang litum pan arjuben rada tuma phan nang pachini je phan ilitum ison sonia lam arjuponix nang. So hello sir. So you are the president or the secretary of this Gorkha tradition?
Myself, General Secretary of Gorkha Art and Culture Society. He is Nitin Rai, President of Gorkha Art and Culture Society.
Okay, so could you please let us know about the traditional, something about the Gorkha or what all things, like including the traditional dress, the cousins and everything, so that the people can also know something about the Gorkha tribes?
Actually, speaking about Gorkha tribe means Gorkha is not only one, it's a clipping of 13 tribes. Like you know that there is, we have displayed at our banner, Rai, Magar, Khas, Newar, Jogi, Yakka, Bhuzel, Suna, etc. All including 13 tribes, it becomes a Gorkha community. And Gorkha communities have dress. Speaking about dress, we have various colors of dress. Like Tamang has their own attires, and Magar has their own, and Khas also like that. We have several kind of dresses, and commonly we known as speak Gorkha language, and commonly we have some kind of foods like sel roti. So we known popularly. We also know we used to use it during our festival like Diwali. After Diwali and Bhai Phuta, we celebrate it largely and internationally. We use that sel roti and tilko chutney, pickle of that, and all these things are there.
Okay, thank you. So alang lipan ka pachini pon ke ladak labang so jat mate Gorkha jat long hedi cricket homa jat pangrum pensi Gorkha pugipu ilitum ladak paklang mel ladak Rai do Nagar Khas Never pipni ason do cricket homa jat pangrum pensi labang so Gorkha tribe puisi ki pupon. Let's see. Are you all keeping this like in this traditional house every year? Are you participating, or is it the first time that you all are participating in this traditional ethnic village?
Well, it's you have raised up very good question. First of all, we must thanks to you that you came here and you managed to display our culture through your channel. Through your channel, I would like to express artist thanks to our KCS. It is not only first time we have, it is 7 time, I think, 7 time, including Caribbean dates 8 time. We have displayed our home, traditional house and attires here. All credit goes to actually to the KCS and the Honorable CM Dr. Tuliram Rohang, Caribbean Council Dr. Tuliram Rohang ji, and all the people of Caribbean are very glad about this initiative of KCS.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time and for your for letting us everything regarding the traditional dress and all, and about the tribes and all. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Long anang lelo sila labang solong litum Rengma traditional house along sinon litum do la pualang like la Rengma cultural society long a president lo la selang lipen ison sonia lam arjuponix nang alang litum jutang mate alang litum la da kupipisi ki bipon ma labang so puta litum arjuponix. Us know about regarding the traditional dresses or what all things you all are keeping here, or could you please let us know about the traditional of Rengma?
Okay. Oh, thank you. First of all, I would like to welcome the people of Caribbean Long, coming from the varieties of the tribe. I could see the colorful traditions of Caribbean Long ethnic people. And also, I would like to welcome all the invitees and then the other tourists and then the other people coming from the different district to this Caribbean Long Youth Festival. Here, I'm standing here as the president of the Rengma Naga Cultural Society. And we have displayed our traditional house here, which is called Renchi. It's a bachelor dormitory, which is in the early part, it is a taboo for the women even to enter to the house. But now for the for for display, we have even permitted women folks and then the girls also to enter to this murong. We call it a murong, actually. And then in Ringba, we call it renche. Here we have a wooden craft of hornbill, which symbolize the love of the king of the bird. This is a hornbill. Down one is a female, and then the upper one is a male, like that. And then we have a mithun head, and then we have a traditional dress like karha, which is called karha. This is a bracelet or something like that. And then we have different attire of our traditional dress over here we are displaying. In the same time, also we have brought the organic food, which product in our own place. We have brought in for the sales, and then we have our traditional ethnic food here. You will get the pork with the bamboo shoot, pork with the akhei, and then the fishes, which is prepared in the bamboo, that you will be getting, and then steamed pork also there, and then varieties of organic food are being sold here. And then in inner of this house, we have displayed traditional bag, shawl, and then necktie, and then jacket, ringma jacket, and then women mekhlas, and all these are been displayed in this murong.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Can we have a little tour inside the house?
Yeah, sure.
So could you please accompany us so that we can know what all things here are?
We call it takonte. And then this one is bangles. It's made of brass, and then this is we put in our neck in order to protect our neck. And then this is female wear. Even the male also wear. Female are using five line, and then the male are using only 4. This is all made of seashell. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Lasi alang li penili tumphana pachini pon ason du piglo la kaching thang a peri pendang lok mate lap hai kaching thang mate a lek a roi pendang lok labang so hormu la ke lek pusipu la pen pin so tumlo pulotang te la line pho bang si ching thang la pen arlo so tum pulotang te swarlo mat atum pulotang te phlive jipu la cha ason li tum chini pon long lo lasi thank you, sir. Thank you once again.